Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In previous video, we learned about the first chapter of the Arabic alphabets. That was about the individual alphabets of the Arabic letters, and we learned about their pronunciation of the Arabic alphabets in detail. So today we will learn about the second chapter of the Arabic alphabets, the second chapter of the Qaida lesson. Actually, it is about the compounds alphabets of the Arabic alphabets. Two or three alphabets of the Arabic letters attached to each other, and we have to recognize those alphabets. So there are two main things in this lesson. The student should have to learn about the shapes of the alphabets and the pronunciation of the Arabic alphabets. When they do practice about this chapter, they should pronounce the alphabets correctly and properly according to the rules of the Tajweed. And similarly, the student should learn the recognize the shape of the alphabets. So we start the second chapter of the Qaida lesson. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now we are going to start the second chapter of the Qaida lesson. It is about murakabat. Murakabat means the compounds alphabets of the Arabic letters or any other language you can say it. Simply, we read the first letter, that is Alif. Second one is Lam. Alif. During the pronunciation of the alphabets, we should ask the student to pronounce these alphabets properly and correctly. The third one is Lam. Alif. Lam. Alif. If you feel the student is not pronouncing the letter correctly, then ask him to repeat this letter, this word again and again. The next is Ba. Alif. Ba. Alif. Next one, Lam. Alif. Lam. Alif. Next is Lam. Lam. Here you can see there are these letters are in different in colors. Some are in purple, some are in black, and some are in yellow color. So the purpose of dividing these letters into colors is this, that the student can understand the color and the shape of the alphabets through the color wise. The colors, the student can learn or recognize the alphabets easily. Suppose this letter Lam. Alif, it has two colors. It means the student can understand it easily. There are two compounds alphabets. The next one is Lam. Ha. Lam. Ha. Next is Lam. Alif. Next is Ba. Lam. Ba. We should pronounce these alphabets correctly. Ba. Lam. Ba. The next one, Kaf. It is light kaf. Kaf. Next is Kaf. Kaf ba. Kaf ba. Kaf ba. It is also the shape of light kaf. You can see here are the short shape of the alphabets through which we have to pronounce these properly and correctly, and also we have to understand the shapes of these alphabets. The next one is also light kaf. Kaf alif. Kaf alif. Next is also kaf alif. It is also the shape of the light kaf. Next one, it contains three alphabets. Simple it is ba kaf ta. Ba kaf ta. And the next is ta kaf sa. Ta kaf sa. And the next is ba. Next one ta. Next is sa. Next it is noon. Noon. One other thing the students have to understand about the dots of the alphabets. Supposed to be this is one dot in the center of the letter. This one is noon, and suppose it will goes under this circle, then it will convert it into letter ba. Similarly, in the case of the letter ya and ta, the next one is ya. It is also the shape of ya. Next is ba alif. Ba alif. Next one noon alif. Noon alif. And the next is ta alif. If there will be two dots as in a straight line on the top of the any straight line, then it will be letter ta. And it will be the two dots under a straight line, then it will be letter ta. Simple it is. The next is ya alif. Ya alif. And the next one sa alif. In this letter, we have to understand the shape of the letter tha and shin. Actually, the letter shin has three edges as compared to the letter tha. And the next one is basi. Basi. And the next is yasin. Yasin. And the next is Noon Sin. Noon Sin. next one is ta sin, ta sin. Next is sa sin, sa sin. And the next is sa jim, sa jim. And the last one on this page is ta ha, ta ha. So here you can see in Urdu, here it is written that we should, those letters are green in color, we should read them bold. Inshallah, now we can stop the first part of this lesson here. Inshallah, next time we will discuss about the next page after this lesson in detail. Alhamdulillah, with the grace of Almighty Allah, we have started the second chapter. Today we only discuss about the first page of this lesson. Inshallah, in next video we will discuss about the second part of this lesson in detail. Kindly stay tuned with the channel Qari Jawad Hussain Shah and improve your Holy Quran along with Tajweed. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.